Terry and Sheila Mullen purchased a home close to the coast in Melbourne, Florida, for themselves and their daughters.
Our house is approximately 3 blocks away from the beach and 2 blocks away from the intercoastal. Weather always is a concern of ours when making a choice of any new products we're putting in our home.
We replaced all the exterior windows, all the exterior doors on the house.
Hurricane improvements were probably one of the most important things in our choice of doors for this house.
Hello, welcome to Plastpro. My name's Eric.
They went to the Plastpro showroom where sales director Eric Baines showed them various door options.
We'll start off with our decorative styles of glass, a lot of different choices to choose from.
Based off of the features they were looking for and their design vision, Eric suggested Plastpro's Nova series.
Our original front doors were steel and very boring, and they were solid, and they didn't allow light to come in.
We selected a translucent glass because it gives us light in our foyer and gives us the privacy with a frosted look to it. We added SDL bars, simulated divided light bars, onto the door to give it a 5-light look and give us the modern farmhouse look that we were going for.
When we moved into this house, it had sliding patio doors. You always feel like there's something stuck in the track and they're, not smooth.
We chose the Nova Series French doors with 2 fixed side lights to fill the opening where a 12-foot sliding glass door was. And we added the side lights to take up that room and give us the view of our pool and the lake behind our house.
I love the look of the French doors, and I love how much glass and the clean lines.
Doors are not only for practicality, a portal to enter and exit, and protection from the weather and intruders. Doors can also add curb appeal, and Plastpro has a variety of options to fit your design preferences.
On a Plastpro fiberglass door, there's many different panel configurations. You can choose from a 6-panel, 2-panel, 4-panel. You can paint the door, many different colors of your choice. There's also an oak grain pattern, a fir grain pattern, a mahogany pattern, and when you add different colors of stains, that'll bring out those grain patterns to be able to simulate a wood door. Decorative glass is available. It's a great option to spruce up the front door if you decide you wanted daylight to come into your home.
How do Plastpro doors keep the outside outside? 2 words: HydroShield technology.
HydroShield technology is 2 common parts. One, it's the fiberglass exterior door with a composite top rail, composite bottom rail, and composite edge. All 6 sides are sealed up. We have a complete system that's watertight and waterproof. All of our fiberglass doors have a high-density polyurethane foam core. Those components is the strength that makes our door very rigid. We have many people that work at the plant, but hardly anybody touches the doors. The first person that's going to touch the door is our customer because of our fully automated process when we manufacture it. By doing so, everything's very precise when the door is built. Our fiberglass door is totally different than most in the marketplace.
When living close to salt water, homeowners need to take into consideration the material their doors are made out of, because wood can rot and steel can rust.
I suggested to the Mullen family to go ahead and buy a fiberglass door versus wood. The fiberglass door is going to give great protection in the weather elements that they're close to the water and to the beach. We have a test facility where we test our doors for design pressure. We also test for water filtration, and we also test for a hurricane-resistant product. Once we pass those tests, those doors are sent out to a third party to get the official stamp. I did an experiment. I took one of our polyfiber frames. I took a piece of that and I put it into the pool. I waited 30 days to see what it would do. It was just as good as new when I pulled it out of the pool.
I absolutely love all the new doors on the house. Not only are they aesthetically appealing, they're functional, we're saving on our electric bill, we are saving on our insurance. To not have to shutter them and be trapped inside a dark house during a hurricane, just one of the biggest benefits for us.
The door upgrades to our house have increased the value of the home tremendously. Doors are the first impression to your home. It's the first thing people see and the first thing on a home that people touch.
Open the door to a world of possibilities at plastproinc.com, where you can find a dealer near you. Go to designingspaces.tv for more information.